Hi guys, today we are going with jumping jacks 35 seconds and how much fast if you do the calories will be burning that much fast. It is a warm up exercise and next we are going with the push up and rotation. Push up and rotation is the best exercise for strengthening your upper body. It is mainly concerned on the arms, so push-ups we are doing 16 repetitions, and with that we are doing rotation so that you can lose your side fat easily. And don't skip the exercise of I have done this exercise 16 repetitions completely, no need to worry. We are developing our stamina more. And next we are going with the Superman. We are doing 20 repetitions. Superman is that type of exercise we are doing regularly, daily, in every episode. You are doing Superman. It will be 24 repetitions one day, 28 repetitions one day, or 20 repetitions. The main thing of Superman is it is concerned on the butt. And next exercise we are going with step on to the chair. Step on to the chair, we are doing 24 repetitions, 12 repetitions with the left leg and 12 repetitions with the right leg. The main thing of this exercise is it strengthens your leg. And next we are doing butt bridge. Butt bridge we are doing 2 days once. So butt bridge is mainly concerned on the butts. So if you have long butts or more, this exercise will help you more. And next we are going with lunges. We are doing 40 repetitions. Lunges is mainly concerned on the flexibility of your body. It tests your stability, flexibility, and momentum. This will be the main theme of the lunges. And next we are doing side lunges also, like one of the part of the lunges family only. And here you can see side lunges 20 repetitions we have to concern on the right leg and 20 repetitions on the left leg. This is mainly useful for stretching. If you do stretching na, you can do cycling, skipping easily. And in this we are doing the new exercise, one leg bridge. It was 65 repetitions. This is simple exercise. Just you have to raise your leg first, and after you have to raise your lower body. And you can see there you have to hold it for 3 seconds or 2 seconds. This is mainly concerned on your leg strength and butts also. This is very good exercise. You can do 65 repetitions easily. I have done it. That's not a problem for me. And next, my favorite exercise, donkey kicks. Donkey kicks one of the simple easy exercise that even with our personality also we can do it easily. I have done it 18 repetitions left leg and 18 repetitions to the right leg. You can see how I am raising my leg. Just you have to lift your leg backside and you have to just kick upwards. That was the theme of the donkey kicks. The main thing of the donkey kicks is you can have stretching and lower body. It concentrates mainly on the lower body, like back pain, knee pain, and butts also. It was main thing. You will lose knee pain and back pain also with the donkey kicks. And you can see how much sweat I am doing. You can observe my t-shirt, how much sweat I have come with this exercise also, and up to coming with this exercise. The best exercise, and I have done happily. Next we are going with the simple exercise, split squat right. Yesterday we have done 12 repetitions. Before that we have done 10 repetitions and 8 repetitions also. But today we are doing 15 repetitions. And the simple thing of this exercise is it is mainly useful for stretching. It is concentrated on the stretching only. If you do this stretching, it is very useful for cycling and the thighs and legs also. If you want to have claws and hamstrings, this is the main thing of this exercise. You can do it simply, no more struggle. I haven't suffered more and I did not feel pain for doing this exercise. Simple exercise. The more painful exercise is now high stepping 35 seconds. Slow, if you do fast you will burn calories more, but main thing is do continuously 35 seconds. Don't stop in between. You continuously raise your stamina by doing high stepping. High stepping is very good exercise. And next we are going after the high stepping, you have to definitely take rest. That much calories you will burn in the high stepping. And next we are going with the best exercise, that is plank, side plank and normal plank. The difference between side plank and normal plank is side plank mainly concentrated on the abdominal strength. So I have done side plank 50 seconds up to 40 seconds, it is easy for me, and from 40 seconds to 50 seconds it tests you more. Side plank is the best exercise that you can do it regularly. And next we are going with the, after side plank I have taken little more rest for 30 seconds to 60 seconds. That's not a problem, you can take rest for every exercise 30 seconds. And new exercise I have introduced in this is bridge. We have to do it for 1 minute. Just you have to lift your back, that's all. Bridge is a simple exercise, no need to worry. And I have closed this episode with the side plank right. I already said if we are doing left, we have to do right also. Right 50 seconds, but I have done only 35 seconds. And after that I have done skipping, it was not morely 100 below only, with maybe or 40 or 50 seconds. And thanks for watching, keep supporting, bye.